Think about the last time you saw a piece of technology that completely changed the rules of the game. Not a minor update, not a slightly faster processor or a shinier casing, but a fundamental shift in how we interact with the world. For years, consumer drones followed a very predictable roadmap. They became slightly lighter, their cameras gained a few more megapixels, and their battery life crept up by a couple of minutes each year. We accepted this as the baseline of innovation. We assumed that the ultimate ceiling for miniature flight technology had already been reached. But behind closed doors, a massive technological war was brewing. Engineers were quietly tearing up the old blueprints, realizing that to truly conquer the future of personal filmmaking, they had to build something that defied our understanding of physics, automation, and regulations. Enter the DJI Neo 3. This isn't just an iterative upgrade to the ultra-compact drone market. This is a complete structural and conceptual revolution that turns a simple flying camera into an autonomous, artificially intelligent cinematic entity. If you think you know what to expect from a portable drone, you need to throw away your old assumptions. The game has changed permanently, and the implications for creators, tech enthusiasts, and privacy are massive. To understand why this specific release is causing shockwaves across the tech industry, we have to look closely at the hidden physics of microflight. For a long time, building a drone under the critical 250-gram regulatory threshold meant forcing engineers into a corner of brutal compromises. If you wanted stability, you needed weight. If you wanted wind resistance, you needed bigger motors and massive power draw. If you wanted high-fidelity video, you needed heavy sensor glass and complex multi-axis mechanical gimbals. The original concepts of ultralight flight were plagued by shaky footage, short flight times, and a fragile structure that would shatter on the slightest impact. But the design philosophy behind this new generation bypasses those limitations entirely through a radical implementation of structural metamaterials and advanced aerodynamic computation. The chassis of the device is engineered with a proprietary carbon weave matrix that mimics the cellular geometry of bone structures. It is incredibly hollow, shockingly light, yet possesses a structural rigidity that handles high-velocity collisions without transferring the kinetic force to the delicate optical sensors inside. When you hold it in your hand, it feels almost non-existent, yet it feels entirely unbreakable. But the real disruption lies in how this machine moves through the air without relying on traditional mechanical brute force. In traditional drones, stabilization is a constant battle between the motors and the environment. When a gust of wind hits the aircraft, the internal gyroscopes detect the tilt, and the flight controller rapidly spins up the opposing motors to compensate. This process consumes an immense amount of battery power and creates a high-pitched, buzzing acoustic signature that makes discrete filming completely impossible. This machine replaces that outdated method with a fluid, predictive aerodynamic model. The entire housing acts as a passive lifting body, utilizing microvortices generated by the integrated duct design to stabilize itself within shifting wind currents rather than fighting against them. The acoustic frequency of the propellers has been shifted entirely out of the human ear's most sensitive range. It doesn't buzz like an angry insect, it hums like a soft breeze. This allows it to operate in crowded urban environments or tight indoor spaces